Hello everyone. Welcome to LRDI Prep. My name is Samir Sardana. In this video, we are going to discuss a football tournament puzzle based on the concept of Sudoku. I'm teaching students live on Unacademy Plus, guys. So if anyone is willing for Unacademy Plus subscription, please use my referral code LRDI Samir to get 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. So this is my referral code, guys, that you can use to get off on Unacademy Plus purchase. So let's start with this puzzle. This is a puzzle which is based on the concept of numbers. I will call this set as a quantitative reasoning set because you will require a basic knowledge of definition of numbers. What are the even numbers? What are the odd numbers? What are perfect squares, perfect cubes? So these are the small basic definition that you need to know. If you add even plus even, you will get even number. If you add odd plus odd number with odd number, you will get an even number. So these are the small definitions that we will be using, the small concepts of number system that we will be using to solve this set. You don't require any prior knowledge related to the rules of football tournament to solve the set. It's a simple basic Sudoku puzzle. You have to just quickly go through the information and have to use every bit of information to decide what the question is asking you to do. Now let's see what the question is asking us to do. First, have a look at all the information. सबसे पहला काम आपको reasoning के set में यही करना है. Just have a feel of the set. Just get to know what you are supposed to do, right? Just don't randomly do it because if let's say if you have seen some kind of football set in your practice and there's some preoccupied ideas in your mind that you have to make a table of goal for and goal against. Just look at the set. Get to know कि आपको करना क्या है, राइट? बिना कुछ समझे, बिना कुछ किए, बिना कुछ पढ़े आपको डिसाइड नहीं करना है कि आपको सेट को सोल्व करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए. जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट? सी व्हाट डज द क्वेश्चन से. 6 स्ट्राइकर्स पेले, मैराडोना, कार्लोस, काफू, देनोदनी एंड वॉल्टर appeared in the 3 consecutive football semi world cups, and these world cups are 1992, 1994, 1996, hosted in 3 different cities, Brazil, Italy and Argentina respectively. Penalty shootouts of 3 each were given to each team to in a case of tiebreaker. अभी तक हमें इस सेट का कुछ नहीं पता लगा, सिर्फ इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है. There are 3 semi world cups which are happening in 3 different cities, countries, and these are the 6 strikers which are participating in it. Okay, penalty shootout of 3 each. Okay, this again till now is not relevant. Let's move forward. It was noticed that these players score goal from 4 to 9. So this is an important information. The number of goals. Here you get to know what you are supposed to do, right? The number of goals for every player. The 6 players who are participating in the tournaments, in the World Cups, they are scoring goal 4 to 9. So the minimum number of goals that they are scoring is 4 in one particular match, and the maximum number of goals that they are scoring are 9 in a particular match. Okay, now let's move forward. Following information is known. Now look at what this information is talking about. No 2 strikers score the same number of goals in the same World Cup. This information tell you कि कोई भी प्लेयर एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर सेम नंबर ऑफ गोल्स नहीं कर रहा है. सो 1992 वर्ल्ड कप की बात करें तो ये सभी प्लेयर्स ने डिफरेंट गोल स्कोर किए होंगे. 1994 में भी सभी ने डिफरेंट किए होंगे. एंड यू ऑब्जर्व दिस वन थिंग कि 4 to 9 के बीच में नंबर्स कितने होते हैं? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. सो सी कि 6 प्लेयर्स हैं, 6 ही डिफरेंट पॉसिबल गोल्स हो सकते हैं और 6 ही नंबर्स आपके पास अवेलेबल हैं. दैट मीन्स नो नंबर इज गेटिंग रिपीटेड. सो अगर मैं किसी वर्ल्ड कप में सभी प्लेयर्स के गोल्स फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूं तो 4 से लेकर 9 सारे नंबर्स आएंगे, right? Because every player is scoring different number of goals in a one particular match. No 2 players are scoring the same number of goals. Total for any player is defined as a sum of goals. Okay, one more information that here is no striker score the same number of goals in more than one World Cup. Now this is again a very important information. Let's say कि कार्लोस ने किसी एक वर्ल्ड कप में 4 गोल्स किए तो बाकी 2 वर्ल्ड कप में वो 4 नहीं कर सकता. इन 4 में से कोई 2 नंबर्स लेने आपको पड़ेंगे, राइट? He is not scoring the same number of goals in more than one World Cup, right? So this point is important to note. So by the time you are done with this set, by the time you are done with this information, you should get to know कि आपको सेट को सॉल्व करने के लिए तीनों वर्ल्ड कप्स में सभी प्लेयर्स के नंबर ऑफ गोल्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. वो नंबर ऑफ गोल्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को आपको यूज करना है. तो क्या कोई फुटबॉल के टूर्नामेंट के रूल्स आपको पहले से पता होने चाहिए? नहीं. और बिकॉज हर प्लेयर के सामने हर मैच के अंदर यही 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं गोल की और यही 6 प्लेयर्स हैं, राइट, जो हर वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स दिस कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ सुडोकू, जिसमें एक नंबर अगर किसी वर्ल्ड कप में यूज हो गया, लेट्स से कि आपने मैराडोना के सामने गोल 4 लिख दिया किसी वर्ल्ड कप में, तो उस वर्ल्ड कप में वही गोल 4 किसी और प्लेयर के लिए नहीं आ सकते, राइट. So now these are the important points that you are supposed to. Now also have a look at the questions that you are supposed to answer. Question से भी आपको आइडिया लगता है कि सेट में करना क्या है. You see this, the first question is telling you who scored 7 goals in the semi World Cup held in 1994. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा कि 1994 का वर्ल्ड कप हुआ कहाँ पे और 7 गोल किस प्लेयर ने किए. सो यहीं से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से you will get to know that ultimately to solve the set you are supposed to find out the number of goals of every player in different World Cups. Question number 2 says who scored the highest number of total goals in the mentioned 3 World Cups and so on. These are the 4 questions that you are supposed to answer. Questions को देखते ही आइडिया आपको लग जाएगा that what you are supposed to do to solve the set. Now these are the points, right, which are mentioned in the first slide. ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो भी points हैं वो मैंने आपको इस slide के अंदर separately लिख दिए because so that we can use the information parallelly. So now let's see this, guys. We are talking about 3 World Cups, right? 1992 World Cup, 1994 World Cup and 1996 World Cup. And 1992 का वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है ब्राजील के अंदर, 1994 का वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है इटली के अंदर और 1996 का वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है अर्जेंटीना के अंदर. यहाँ पे हम टोटल नंबर्स लिखेंगे एंड द प्लेयर्स हु आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग आर Pele, Maradona, Carlos. Pele, Maradona, Carlos, Cafu. So these are the name of the players. The Northern World Cup. These are the 6 players. Just start fill in the information from the first part. Pele and Carlos did not score the highest goals in any of the mentioned World Cup. This tell you that in any of these 3 World Cup, Pele is not scoring a value of 9 because the highest number goals are 9 that we have already seen. So Pele is not scoring 9 goals in any of these 3 World Cups. Same is true for Carlos also, right? This is a person, Carlos. He is also not scoring 9 in any of the World Cup. Okay. De Rodri scored the least possible number of goals in Italy. So this is De Rodri. In Italy, the least possible number of goals are 4. So De Rodri will be scoring 4. And Pele scored the least number of goals in 1996. 1996, Pele is scoring the least possible number of goals, that is 4. And Carlos scored the least possible number of goals in Brazil. So here is Carlos and he is scoring 4 number of goals in Brazil, the least possible numbers. All right. The total number of goals scored by the Pele is even. The total of all the scores of this particular player is even, right? So let's write down the number here, even. Now you see that this number is 4. And if I need total to be even number, that means I will require even number here, or I will require odd number here, odd number here, right? I cannot put even number here and odd number here, or odd here, even here, because even plus odd will give you odd and odd plus even will give you odd. I want total to be even, so both of these two should be odd, or both of these two should be even, right? Now let's use the next information. Question with here, the total number of goals scored by Pele is even, but he did not score even number of goals in all the 3 mentioned World Cups. उसके तीनों वर्ल्ड कप्स के अंदर सारे के सारे वर्ल्ड कप में सभी स्कोर्स इवन नहीं है. दैट मीन्स 9 उसका हो नहीं सकता है, 4 उसने ऑलरेडी स्कोर कर लिया, तो नंबर बचे 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 का पॉसिबिलिटी खत्म, 4 का पॉसिबिलिटी खत्म, 6 और 8 हो नहीं सकता है बिकॉज ही इज नॉट स्कोरिंग इवन नंबर ऑफ गोल्स इन ऑल द वर्ल्ड कप. तो मुझे या तो दोनों ओड चाहिए या दोनों इवन चाहिए. दोनों इवन रखूंगा तो तीनों में इवन हो जाएगा, तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट है तो दोनों में ओड रखना पड़ेगा. सो दैट मीन्स या तो 5 यहाँ पे आएगा या 7 यहाँ आएगा या 7 आएगा या 5 आएगा. लेट्स सी, कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है. पेले स्कोर से मोर नंबर ऑफ गोल्स इन ब्राजील देन इन इटली. ब्राजील में उसके गोल ज्यादा है, तो इसका मीनिंग 7 यहाँ पे होगा और 5 यहाँ पे होगा, राइट? पेले विल बी स्कोरिंग 7 गोल्स इन 1992. 1994 में 5, टोटल आ जाएगा उसका 16 विच इज एन इवन नंबर. सो पेले का तो फाइनलाइज हो गया. लेट्स मूव फर्दर. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ गोल्स स्कोर बाय पेले इज द सेम एज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ scored by Donatoni, right? This person is also scoring 16 goals, right? Right. So this has also been used. This person is scoring 6 goals in Brazil. Cafu is scoring 6 goals in Brazil, so write down the value 6 here. While Walter scored the highest in Argentina. Walter is scoring highest in Argentina, so this number will be 9. Okay. The total number of goals scored by Cafu is even, right? So total value here should be an even number. Let's see what is the possibility. The total number of goals scored by Walter is also even. So Walter का total भी आपका even आना चाहिए. These are the information. Now try to connect everything to fill in the remaining information, guys. See that Danodani is scoring 16 as a total value. Okay. अभी 4 में 2 वैल्यूज ऐड करके आपको 16 चाहिए. ओके, तो इन दोनों का सम 10 होना चाहिए, 12 होना चाहिए. सो 12 पॉसिबल कैसे आ सकता है? सो गाइस, Cafu is scoring total even number of goals. We have a value 6 over here, and the Danodani is scoring total 16. The value of the total number of goals of the Danodani is 16. So you see that the total of both of these two goals will be equal to 16, right? 4 values already over here, so I need to put those two values here so that the sum comes out to be 16. So if 4 is over here, the sum of these two values will be equal to 12, and now the numbers which are available to us for the Danodani is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now you see that the sum of two numbers which will be equal to 12 will be 5 and 7 only. 6 plus 8 will give you 14, 6 plus 9 is 15. So the only possibility for Danodani to have the 16 as the total value with 4 value over here will be 7 and 5, right? Now 7 is already over here, so 7 cannot come over here because no two players are scoring the same number of goals. So 7 is coming over here, so 5 will come over here. If 5 comes over here, then 7 will come over here. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 7 will become 16. Okay. Now we are left with Walter and Maradona and Danodani. Do we have anything related to Maradona? No, nothing is available for Maradona. Now let's use this information. Walter is having a total value of 9, even 9 is already over here, guys. Now either I put both of the odd number here or both should be even because the total is even. Now 5 and 7 both are over here, so 5 and 7 cannot be the values which 5 is over here, 5 is also over here, so 5 as a number cannot be used here as well as over here, right? So you cannot use 5 here as well as over here. You are left with 6, 7 and 8 now. Now the only possibility so that the sum of all the goals of Walter comes out to be even is that you put both of these two values to be even. 9 तो आपने already डाल दिया है, right? Sorry, this is an odd number, so 9 is an odd number, guys, right? If I want the total to be even, तो मेरे को यहाँ पे एक पे even रखना पड़ेगा और एक पे odd रखना पड़ेगा, because ये odd है और odd plus odd ही आपको even देगा, odd plus odd ही आपको even देगा, right? So which value you would use here? If 4, 5, 6, 7 are already here, 9 cannot come over here. If 9 cannot come over here, 9 will come over here. If 9 is coming over here, then the left number will be 8. If 8 is coming over here, I need to use that value over here so that 8 plus this value should be even. Now 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 7 will be 24 and 17 plus 6 will be 23. But I want even number, so therefore I need to put the value 7 here. So 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 7 will become 24. 24, this becomes an even number, right? So you cannot put 6 over here. So we see that now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all of them are having a different goal. Now here, let's take this information, Cafu. Cafu is scoring 6 goals over here and the total should be even. And the number that we are left for Cafu would be 6 has been used here, right? Let's use the space more here. So 6 value is over here. I want total to be even. And 6 has already been used. I'm left with 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. And you see this, 4 is already here, 4 has already been used here, so 4 cannot be used at any of these two places. We are left with now 5, 7, 8, 9, 7 has been used here, 7 has been used here, so 7 is also out of the option. Now tell me guys, this number is an even number. If this number is an even number, I need to put both odd or both even, right? Both odd or both even should be coming over here. If I put both number as odd number, see the options available to me are 5, 8 and 9. So I don't have the availability of two even numbers to put over here, because the possibilities that I can of the numbers that I can use over here is 5, 8 and 9 only, because मेरे को total even चाहिए, right? So आपका 8 का possibility कैंसिल हो जाएगा अगर आप यहाँ पे 8 पुट करते हो या यहाँ 8 पुट करोगे तो थर्ड जो सेल खाली रह जाएगा उसमें आपको इवन नंबर डालना पड़ेगा। इवन नंबर हमारे पास दो अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो 5 और 9 ही आपको यहाँ पे फिल करने पड़ेंगे। 5 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आया हुआ है, सो 9 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और 9 यहाँ ऑलरेडी है तो यहाँ 5 आ जाएगा। सो टोटल ऑफ काफू विल बी 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 will be 20. Okay, that's it. Now what we are left with now is, see this 4, 5, 7, 9. So 6 and 8 are the two values which are left here. So either 6 come here or 8 come over here. 4, 5, 7, 9. So 6 and 8 are the two values which are left. So see this. So you see this. There is no other information that is available for Carlos and Maradona, right? We just know that Carlos is not scoring 9, so he is not scoring 9. The total info, we don't have any information for the total number of goals for Maradona and Carlos, so we will not be able to decide about 6 and 8. Let's have a look at the questions now. Who scored 7 goals in Semi World Cup in 1994? 1994 में 7 goals scored by 1994 7 goals is scored by Walter. So the answer to the question is Walter, right? So it's a subjective question, so Walter will be the answer. Who scored the highest number of total goals? Now mention 3 World Cups. Highest number of total goals. Look at the highest number. This person is scoring 16, 20, 16, 24. Even if I do the total of Maradona, it is possible to find out the total of Maradona. Maradona is scoring 9 here and 6 or 8 here or 8 or 6 here. So the total will not get changed. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8 will be 23. And same is the case for Carlos also. 4 is coming over here. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Right? So the highest number of goals is being scored by Walter. So Walter is the answer of the question. Answer is the Walter. Who scored the highest number of total goals in the mentioned World Cup? Answer is Walter. How many goals did Cafu score in the World Cup held in Argentina? Cafu in Argentina is scoring 5 number of goals, right? So answer to the question is 5. Find the total number of goals of Carlos. Carlos is scoring. Total number of goals of Carlos is 18, right? So 18 is the answer to the question. So that's it for the day, guys. That's it. The set is completed now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends. I'll be uploading more such videos. For all MBA entrance exams, I'll be uploading logical reasoning and data interpretation. Please follow me on this channel so that you get notification of all of my courses and the live sessions that I will be taking in future on this session. And if you're planning for Unacademy Plus subscription, guys, this is a referral code that you can use, and I need Samir to get 10% off. Thank you.